Before I start this video, I just want to urge you to like and subscribe to my channel. But most importantly, share this video so that others will not get scammed by this website as well. Okay, so last week I came across this particular website that claims you can make money online from it. They have these crazy offers here that say you can make money online from just watching YouTube videos. I honestly thought it was too good to be true. I mean, honestly speaking, how exactly can I make a steady income from watching videos online? So I decided to try it out just for the sake of research. The website claims to have been in existence since 2006, and each time you log in you see these little pop-ups claiming to be payouts from other users with different payout methods. Given into the fact that there wasn't any sign-up fee and it claims to have been operational since 2006. It seemed pretty promising. It's very easy to sign up, and you can sign up with your social media accounts. It has a lot of fake reviews from people who claim to have been making money from it. I found the first red flag when I was told I could only withdraw the money once it got to $100. So I had to watch certain YouTube videos all the way through. After a few days of watching, when I attempted withdrawal once again, I was told I needed to get 30 referrals to withdraw, and that they needed to keep the network going to provide more content and be able to pay the viewers. But if I did not want to refer people, I can just transfer Bitcoin to any of these Bitcoin addresses. This might have seemed like a good idea, because I could just spend about $11 and withdraw a 100. So I transferred the minimum amount of Bitcoin to the address and the referrals came after a few minutes. I then proceeded to withdraw the money to be shown another red flag, saying my account is not approved and it takes approximately 30 to 60 days before it can be approved. And I could get this done in a few minutes if I transfer Bitcoin to another said account. After I did that, I kept waiting to see the approval message, but yet still I kept getting the message that my account is not yet approved. I thought to myself, hey, maybe it hasn't gotten through yet. So, I waited and waited till, after 2 days, when I tried to log into my account, I got a message that my password is incorrect. Funny, because this was the same password saved in my Google account. Then I wrote a message to the support team asking how I can recover my password. No reply for days. Which turned to weeks. Which turned to months. I tried to check out reviews from the website, only to realize that it doesn't have a domain name. It doesn't have a privacy policy. It doesn't have real customer support. For crying out loud, you cannot search the website online. And for the past few days, I've been getting this notification on my system about my Google account and how I need to change my password. Please, if you registered on this website through any means at all, be it with social networks or email, be sure to remove access from the app to your accounts. These people are hackers and will stop at nothing to steal your information and hack your accounts. Please share this information and make sure everyone gets this to stop the spread of this fake website. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more information on these kinds of fake websites and how to make money online.